Come on, 16. Yeah, I'm coming. Hey, 16, watch this. Hi-ya, haha. Take that, trucks. Ha ha ha. Oh no. Alright, there you go, Timothy. Now let me just screw this in and do this, and done. Your new headlight has been fixed. Thank you, sir. Oh, it was my pleasure. Well, it's my job, actually. Hey, guys! Guys, watch out! Huh? What the? Oh no. Huh, well, this isn't gonna end well, is it? Timothy! Ah! Crash! Oh no, here it comes! Ah! Huh? What the? Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, hey, look at that. Looks like the trucks didn't crash into you after all. Oh, what a relief. That was really close. Huh, yeah, but are you alright, Timothy? What? Yeah, of course I'm fine. Come on, let's play a game. The one who can shunt the most trucks wins. Oh, you're on. Oh, I really wanted to see those trucks crash into him. Yeah, well, if they did, then you would have had to do my jobs for a couple of days. Good point, Timothy, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Timothy. Huh? Oh, hello, Thomas. Say, who won the shunting contest today? Because I kind of forgot. Huh? Oh, 16 did. He's really good at those, isn't he? Yeah, all the time he wins them. Say, can I ask you a favor, Timothy? Yes? Whatever it is, my little brother. Just be careful tonight, because it's like so dark and everything, basically. Of course, and besides, before the little incident today in the yard, I got this new headlight fixed for me. Oh, yeah. Oh, anyway. My goodness, Thomas, you sound very tired. I think it's best if you go back to the sheds and go get some rest. Yeah, you're probably right, Timothy. Oh well, I'll see you in the morning. Goodbye, Thomas. Yes, goodbye, Thomas. All right, Timothy, let's get going. Timothy? Timothy? Talk to me. Are you there? Sure thing. What the? Timothy, can you slow down a bit? The next station is right there. Timothy! Timothy, what are you doing? You just missed the station. Fireman, quickly, help me. Stop shoveling coal. Huh? Oh, alright. I'm coming. Timothy! Timothy, slow down! What are you doing up there? Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Don't you dare. I'm going to send you all to the graveyard. No! My mother, I loved her. Oh, Thomas, there you are. I've been looking for you everywhere. Yeah? What is it? You know how Timothy never came home last night, right? Oh, yeah. I don't know why I didn't notice that. Oh, yeah, something very bad happened last night, actually. Oh, what do you mean? Well, follow me, I'll show you. Oh, okay. Alright, we're here. This is it. What? Yeah, what is it? Oh my god. But. What? Oh, why, though? Well, that is what we haven't figured out yet.